today we're going to look at an essential camping equipment. Is nothing else, it's a camping stove. Now this is a Campingaz Twister Plus. Now Campingaz is quite a famous company. They do a lot of camping equipments supplied all over UK. So I have opened it and I have tried once. It says compact, lightweight, easy to carry and store. Of course, if you see what inside, you'll be surprised. So let's go ahead and open the box. So it's got some paperwork. There you are, Campingaz. Okay, now look at that. That is a stove. That will definitely go in nicely in a backpack. Now let's go ahead and open it. There you are. So that's the stove. Now I have tried this. That's why it's got that heat look to it. Nice little box. Let's keep that aside. Now let's have a proper look at this. Build quality is really good. Basically you pull this out and that's how it goes. Now that is the gas bottle. Now I am sure there is another one bit more bigger than this as well, but all the camping people, they tends to go for the little one because this is a bit more compact, fit nicely in the backpack. 240 gram. It's a butane. So I'm going to show you how you put it on. Take the clip off. It just clicks in and then you twist it. The beauty of this is got the ignition built into it, so it's quite handy when you. So I'll turn it on and show you. So there you are. So I'll turn it down a bit. The ignition itself, it's very smooth. So this should last about 3 hours of continuous lighting. So which is quite a long time. So to take it off, just twist and then pull. There you are. So that's it. Quite nice. Once you finish, you close that up. Very nice, very handy, very solid, nicely built, proper one. I'm going to try this. I'll see you outside. So here I am outside cooking an egg. It's so windy. What I'm showing you is how capable this stove can manage. I managed to light it up even in this very windy condition. I cooked the egg through, but it took because the flame is blowing away, so it took a bit longer, and in the end I enjoyed it as well. If you like this sort of content, consider subscribing and give us a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Bye bye.